Okay, ito yung siginak na.
Mama, I'm not scared.
No, we're going far.
Mama, don't be scared.
It's a red soil.
It's the red soil. Go down
Red
into
land.
the soil. Oh,
So-
butterfly.
Don't be scared. Dili man na harmful.
Sige na. Faster, Dad.
Let's wait for the butterfly to go away.
No, no.
Dili naman na
Let's
mag-go
go.
away.
No.
Mama and
na.
Papa is here. Don't be afraid.
Ah?
Okay.
Sige na, don't not be afraid.
I want it.
Da, umbrella? Oh,
So I can be safe. Okay.
Get yun na.
bagaan ra kay.
Go. Good job.
Hello. Welcome.
Welcome daw. Ali.
Okay.
Ali.
Say cheese.
Maulog ka ha.
Me. What?
What are you doing?
I'm clean.
Ay, napag-clean din ha. Shh, dirty na. Dirty na na imong hands. Magkaon ba ka og kuan?
No, I going to dance.
Biscuit.
Get down again. Mama, why the plant is so warm?
You know. Careful. Op, op, op. Use umbrella. Use your umbrella.
Mama, I got away.
What?
You got away.
How should I get up?
Step.
How should I get up?
Step. But slowly, okay? Slowly.
Mama, there's so many rocks.
Sama na imong payong. Yung payong. Baro ko, be. Umbrella, be.
No, it's
Go na, go, go, go dito.
Please, Mama. Oh no. The net is so high.
So high, you can't reach. How can you shoot a ball? It's so high. Try to jump. Try to jump like that. Shoot.
But where's the basketball?
You have no basketball.
What about me? I cannot do it. It's not good.
Yeah.
Oh. Look! I'm in the hole. Look. I'm in the hole.
Yeah.
Look. That. Mama. Look. Yeah.
Careful.
Mama, get away! Okay. Hey, you're in my way! look at me. Hey. Mama, look at me.
Let's go na. It's very hot.
Okay.
Go back. What are you doing?
Wait, a stone. Let's jump. That's it. Stone. Okay, let's jump. Let's go.
Dili taagi.
Okay.
Careful. Uy. Careful. Dili dia. Dili ah. Dili dia. Follow me. Dada will hold you.
Okay. Dada, can you hold? Circle.
Yes.
Hey, why we can't climb? Why we can't climb this?
Yeah. You're tired na?
Yes, because I have no bed to sleep.
You wanna go home na?
No.
Tired na
I
maka
want
ka.
to go home.
Ni. Tired maka ka.
No, I am not tired.
You said you're tired.
No.
Kyler. It's so hot.
It's red. Hmm. We're going so far away.
Yeah.
Auntie, where are you? Auntie, where are you? So much fun.
Yeah. Hold ya. Lisod man. Ah, sige. Dapat like, dapat go lugar. Ay, dito ta sa Diklom Elementary School. Shortcut ta. May shortcut dito. Dili. Dili.
School?
Basta dili lagi layo.
Mama, why is there's no door?
No door. Inga naman ang design.
Okay.
Is it nice? Ignorante kayo. So windy. Hey, what are you riding? Oh, do not put your hands outside.
Why?
Dangerous.
But I can put my head.
No, no, no. It's a no-no. Driver, huwag ka na get mad. Ano nakapili?
I am not.
There are more passengers.
There are more passengers. Okay,
Yeah.
Yay!
we're going
Yes.
over there. The left side,
Hmm.
not the right side.
Mm-mm.
That's the wrong way.
Mm-mm. Wrong way.
Oh, wrong way.
Oh, dili magran.
Because there's so many rocks.
And there's so many pupu too.
Whee!
Cows pupu.
Whee!
Go, careful.
Like this Spider-Man in the pool.
Yes.
And which way do we go now?
Here. Left side.
I think going in the wrong side.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
On the pupu side. See the pupu? Sige na.
Yes, because that is the right side.
That
Because-
is the cow's pupu. Oh, there's a cow. Look at that.
Yeah. And That is the right one. There's no poo-poo.
Mm.
But that is the wrong side. It has poo-poo.
That one cow, oh.
And which way do we go?
This one.
What? Where are we? Are we
Another cow.
Mama, are we in the city? Ew, apple.
Pupu again.
Mama, another poo-poo.
Another cow.
Another cow. Wow!